The National Works Agency NWA is assuring motorists that the Oaks Bridge in Clarendon remains safe, even as visible signs of age and deterioration fuel concern among daily commuters. Sandy Williams reports.
Oaks Bridge in Clarendon, a familiar route that has become a source of unease and a daily test of faith for motorists who use it. Once solid and dependable, the deterioration is impossible to miss. Its concrete skin is cracked and discolored, while rust bleeds through exposed steel, streaking the surface in shades of brown and orange. But for the National Works Agency, appearances can be deceiving. Communications manager Stephen Shaw says erosion has occurred in the river channel beneath the bridge. However,
the bridge is on a piled foundation, so from the information and from the inspections that have been done, it is safe for use.
Still, the NWA acknowledges public discomfort and says remedial work is on the way.
We intend to, within a very short period of time, to do some pushing up to recreate the embankment around the footing, as well as to hold all of that together with the use of gabion baskets. Our technical team has gone there, they have done the work, and we are now putting together the bills of quantities so that we can go to market for work to be undertaken.
Plans also include repainting steel members showing visible deterioration. Technical teams have already completed site inspections, and within the next 14 days, bills of quantities are expected to be finalized and priced before contracts go to market. Mr. Shaw says there is no imminent danger of the bridge collapsing.
Maybe if we get a Melissa type event and you have a lot of water in this space, then that could be a possibility. But as of now, the structure being in use, sitting on piles, it is safe for the motoring public to use it.
The Oaks Bridge is one of 5 bridges across 3 parishes scheduled for attention under the NWA's Bridge Maintenance Program. Mr. Shaw says the work will focus not only on what motorists can see above the roadway, but also on structural elements beneath the bridge, including girders that are often hidden from view. During Hurricane Melissa, 2 bridges were impacted, one in St. James near Over River in Orange and another at Easington in St. Thomas.
We are looking at retrieving the members for the structure in St. James to have that one recreated. It was a steel bridge that we can retrieve the pieces and put it back together. The structure over in St. Thomas, we have that one on program. We have a program with some 50 bridges that we intend to replace.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.